Midnight fractures through electric rain, steel shadows running through the veins, skyline burning in hologram fire, circuits whispering criminal desires. Chrome gang riders hack the city grid, ghosting through the sectors where the poor once lived. Every signal trembling red tonight, while silent drones descend without a light. Eyes of cobalt scanning every face, algorithms hunting through the maze. No heartbeat underneath the shield, only cold precision on the battlefield. Robot cops beneath the neon sky, chasing metal ghosts through shattered nights. Laser sirens cutting through the dark, justice written in electric sparks. Machine against machine, they collide. Future wars and streets of chrome and light, when humanity can barely survive. The last lost standing is artificial light. Criminal androids breaking vaults apart, black market minds with stolen human hearts, hijacked war machines without control, digital predators without a soul. Hover units storm the avenue, magnetic shackles glowing icy blue. Data streams exploding overhead, while citizens hide beneath their beds. Who decides what justice means when both sides think encoded dreams? Can a machine protect the weak if mercy is a missing piece? Robot cops beneath collapsing towers, fighting endless wars for human power. Steel fists rising through atomic rain, trying to keep the final spark alive again. Neon guardians, cold and bright, marching through the endless night. In the future's fractured paradise, only machines can stop machines tonight. Neon guardians, cold and bright, marching through the endless night. In the future's fractured paradise, only machines can stop machines tonight. Unit 7 responding. Suspect identified. Threat level escalating. Justice protocol activated. Again.